Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Alisha, and in my channel I basically do makeup and beauty related videos. And if you are going for that kind of vibe, then please subscribe to my channel and show me some love. And for today's video, I'm going to do this beautiful makeup look which is perfect for fall. If you guys want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So now let's get our makeup started. For this look, I'm going to use Tati Beauty palette, and I'm priming my eyelid using Catrice Camouflage Concealer and blending it with my fingers. So I'm taking the shade Story in Matte and blending it into my crease. I'm gradually adding the color until it is perfect. Keep on blending. So now I'm taking a clean brush and blending this eyeshadow even more. Now I'm taking the shade Ritual and applying it to my outer corners and basically into my entire lids. Now I'm adding more of the shade Story and blending the shades together. After that, I'm using the same concealer that I used earlier and cleaning up my lid. I'm not doing a cut crease or anything, just cleaning up my lid so that my shimmer shade looks even more vibrant. Now for shimmer shade, I'm using the shade Ritual and applying it into my lid. Blending the edges so that the eyeshadow looks seamless. Now I am using a setting spray so that the shimmer shade looks even more vibrant. Look at the difference that makes. Now blend the edges. Now I'm using this liquid eyeliner from Misumi Cosmetics. I got this gift from Misumi Cosmetics during the purchase. So it's always good to have a free gift, right? Now I am applying this beautiful lash from Kiss Beauty. Now let's move on to our face. For face, I'm using this Pharmacy VFX Pro Primer and blending it into my skin. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. This is a very good foundation. So I'm blending it into my skin. And into my neck as well. Don't forget the neck area. And for my concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So I'm applying this into my usual areas that I want to highlight. So after that, I'm setting my face using RCMA No Color Powder. Now I'm bronzing my skin using Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. The shade is a little bit light for my skin tone. So I decided to apply the contour powder from Wet n Wild. And also applying into my neck so that my jawline looks very sharp. Now I am applying a blush from Jordana. And setting my skin using Milani setting spray. And making sure that the setting spray is well spread into my skin using my beauty sponge. Now I am using my favorite highlighter from Milani in shade number 2. I am also adding the shade into my brow bone, into my nose, my cupid's bow. For my lipstick, I am using this NYX lipstick, and this shade is perfect for fall. So this is the finished makeup look, and I decided to keep my under eyes blank because I am loving the look of it. I hope you liked my makeup look. So if you did, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that bell button to stay updated for my future videos. So having said that, I would like to end this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.